Hello, my beautiful friends. So I've been exhausted, so not able to do videos, but I do want to do an unboxing because I want to take some of this stuff with me. If you've been following the channel, you know I have Lyme. It is getting better. I'm on the medicine. Things are getting better. I'm still very tired. I have this rash and all this stuff, but it is getting better. But I got my Happy Life box, and I have to say, I did open it. I wasn't going to do an unboxing, but it's such a good box that I had to jump on here and share it with you. So they've moved from, it used to be called My Happy Life, and now it's, or maybe it's, what is it called now? I don't remember what it's called. It's terrible, isn't it? They changed their name, and, let me look in the box. What does it say? My Happy Life is what it's called now. Before it was called something else. But they've kind of changed their model to be more spiritual and less, I think, healthcare-wise, because I think that must be a challenge to be like a healthcare box because everybody has their own medical issues. So this is like great. And what I love about it, what I loved about this box is that everything in it is unique and stuff that you just don't get anywhere. You don't get a lot of stuff, but you get very quality stuff. So that is great. You get a note from Chris. Chris writes down everything that's in the box and then how to use it. And then, but I was so impressed. It was just, I think, 4 or 5 things. But the one thing is this bracelet, which is Tiger's Eye. And that's the color palette I wear. So, of course, I love that. And then, I don't know, I'm going to save the best for last, but there's 2 things that are awesome that I think. There are 4 pieces to do 4 corners in your house of selenite. So these are really cool. This is what I want to take with me because I'm going camping and I want to put it in the 4 corners of our camper when we're there. So that's why I wanted to do the unboxing now. And then the other 2 things are equally cool, but I think the one thing is cooler than the other. So one is this Ascension Oracle, and I don't know that if I'll like it or not. Not all cards resonate with me, but still very nice deck. And if it doesn't resonate with me, it might resonate with a friend. And then the cool thing is this bag. And I don't know what these are called. These are called, and I don't have these. This is tinctures. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And I actually don't know how to use them. But I don't have these. I have a sound bowl, and I have a drum and all that kind of stuff. But you can see, like, and so this is something super cool that I would never actually buy myself. I don't know if you hold them like this, and then you're supposed to hold them close to yourself. There's directions there, but they're like weighty suckers. And how cool is that? Like, seriously, like that's like, you don't get cards in every box. You don't get this in every box. You do get crystals and you do get, bead jewelry and stuff like that. But these 2 things, the cards and this tincture, that's how you say it. Like, those are legit quality products. Like this is where this case that it's in is like not flimsy, it's padded. And you could use it for something else if you didn't want, you could use it for something else, but it's padded. And I mean, what an amazing, like, seriously amazing. So, and then on the card, Chris must watch this channel because they took shipping off. I think they actually charge people for shipping now. I'm granded into the old system because I've been with them for a little while now. The Tibetan Tincture and Om bag is $30, and I would say that's probably what it is for the weight of it is, and it's got inscribing on it on the inside, inscription, and the weight of it, like, it's not chintzy. So I would say that that's probably what you would pay if you went to a festival. The Tiger's Eye bracelet, $8. I don't know. I don't know. It depends because some places they're cheaper, like $4. I don't know. I don't think it's $8. 4 selenite wands, $8, $2 a piece. That's fair. Essential Oracle deck, $24.95. That's what the decks cost. I mean, you can get them cheaper at Hay House, when they go on sale and whatnot. But that is the market price of those. So $70, and I think it's a $35 box. So you're definitely getting, even if you take off $4 for the Tiger's Eye bracelet, you're still getting your money's worth. And to take off shipping, smart move, because that's not part of your sale. I definitely think I got $70 worth of stuff here, and I'm excited to take this stuff with me on my camping trip. You're thinking, BRG, why are you going camping? You have Lyme disease. Well, because really, Lyme disease you can get walking to your car from your house. Little ticks are everywhere, and I can't live my life in the house. I can't hike and I can't kayak, which is frustrating, but I can't be away from the opportunity to seek medical care if I need it, so I can't be on a 5-mile hike in the middle of the woods and have some kind of attack and need to be rescued. So I'll just be chilling out. I have taken some cast iron. I'm making some homemade food over the fire, which is actually kind of nice. Like, I usually, when I go camping, I'm like hiking and kayaking and swimming and doing all the things, and I don't actually relax because I want to do all the things. Like, this time I'm forced to relax and just chill out and camp. So I'm going to be doing that. We're going to a place called Promised Land State Park. It is gorgeous there. Full of ticks, I'm sure, but I am looking forward to going. So I am wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well, take care, and I will see you this week with readings and whatnot. Be well. Bye-bye.